I never really go out with nice guys like you.
If I come over there, will you go out with me on New Year's Eve?
We'll call you again to go out with me.
I don't want to go out with Jerry Perry. Where's Jake Adams?
I don't go out with strange men. I just met you 5 minutes ago.
I have another question. Why would you go out with Charlie?
Millie and Shep wanted us to go out with him after. Will you say we can't?
Do you want to go out with me once?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
My answer is yes. I'd be happy to go out with you.
I didn't ask you out.
You want to go out with Jess. If it would be all right with you. Sure.
Carmen, if there's anyone I've been wanting to go out with, it's you.
Do you think Sid would go out with me?
I really like your hair. Will you go out with me?
Who I go out with is my own business. So why don't you mind your own, bitch?
I like this girl, Mr. Dicker. I'm supposed to go out with her Friday night. Now things are just gonna be weird.
I'd love to go out with you.
Hey, what?
What?
Cantina, midnight. Don't be late.
Maybe we should get a bite sometime and talk about it.
I'd rather go out with the fish.
I was wondering if you would like to go out with me tonight.
How sweet. Of course.
You go out with me. I'll go easy on him if you do.
All right.
Do you mind if I stay here till it eases off?
No, of course you can.
I go out with one of the Dons.
I know.
I see you in here a lot, and I think that you're really pretty, and would you want to go out with me? Ever?
Please go away.
You're just upset. You must be getting your period.
I don't get a period. I'm a cartoon character. Can't I be upset once in a while?
Max, will you forget about Annie? I know lots of women you can date.
I don't want to go out with any other women.